Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've saved your files and closed Excel. Now start by opening Excel's File menu and choosing Options, then Language. You're doing this because Excel can use a separate display/editing language and Windows regional settings for dates and numbers. Once done, check if your preferred language appears. If not, add it here. Also, open Windows Settings Time and Language region. Excel often defers date, time, and currency formats to Windows, so we'll adjust both places. You'll add and set your preferred editing and display language in Excel's language pane. Make it the default and restart Excel so menus and proofing change. Then go to File Options Advanced and uncheck Use System Separators if you need different decimal or thousand symbols. Type your desired characters and click OK. Once done, select Sample Cells and use Home Number Format or Format Cells Date to apply a specific date format so your content shows. Finish by changing Windows region formats. Open Region Settings, choose your region, then change data formats to set short/long date, time, and currency patterns. Restart Excel or the PC so system-level defaults propagate into worksheets. Make sure to reopen your file and reformat affected cells if needed. If formats still don't match, reapply Format Cells or use the Text, Cell, Format function to force display. This troubleshooting step resolves persistence issues when system and workbook settings conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.